Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Oculus. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to install the MetaQuest Oculus application in your cell phone, and after that just simply open your application. And now when you open your application, so here you can see there are multiple options like explore. So here when you can see the multiple games and all other sections here. So simply in order to refund, first of all you have to go to settings and go to the payment methods, and here you have to add a payment method data. After that, when you buy a game or anything, now you have a time to refund it. So simply just if you don't like the game or anything happens, so simply you can refund. Just you have to go to your purchase history, and like here currently I don't have buy any game or anything. So simply when you buy, you have to move to purchase history option, and here you will find the refund option. So after that just select the game and click on refund. So in this way you can get a refund in Oculus.